Hello everyone, I'm here with Meyer Motors, here to show you our 2022 GMC Terrain SLT. This vehicle does have the white frost tri-coat, and it does have the jet black interior. Also, this vehicle does have the 3-liter Duramax, and it does have the max trailering package, engine block heater. This vehicle was a one owner, and it does have low miles. It only has 490 miles at the moment. Where you can see that is right here, and then right there is your range for the diesel. This vehicle does have forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, the cruise control buttons are right here, and then you have your voice commands, ending phone calls, and then you can change what is on the dash with this side. We take a look over here, you do have your Google Maps. Also, you do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is wireless, so you do not have to plug your phone in anymore. You do have lane keep assist, front and rear park assist, auto stop start. You can turn all of those on or off. You do have your tailgate opener, hazards, traction control, and then this one puts all 4 windows down at once. This vehicle does have the trailer brake controller, heated and cooled front seats. All your heat and AC controls are right here. And then you have your shifter. Wireless charging is right down here. And then if I do put the vehicle in reverse, you do have surround vision, so you can see around this whole truck. You have different camera views also. If we take a look up here, you do have the universal home remote, and then your sunroof buttons, and then the power sliding rear window. Sunroof looks like that. If we take a look on the outside, this vehicle also does have the Bose Sound System, driver memory, and then it does have carpeted floor mats. This truck does have passive entry on the front doors. What that is if you have your key fob with you, you can lock and unlock the vehicle by pressing down on that button right there on the door handle. You do have running boards right down there. You do have the turn signal indicator right here. And then this vehicle does have the multi-pro tailgate. So how you can do that is you click this button and then the top one at the same time. And that will put it out for the step back here. And then if we take a look in the back seat, this is what the back seat looks like, and then you do have a little cargo space in the back of the seats. Just put like snacks or something. And then you do have heated second row seating. Buttons for that are right here. And then you have 2 USBs. And then this will just be for your cup holders, and then you have cup holders also right here. That is all I have on the Sierra. If you have any other questions, please just give us a call or visit our website at gomeyermotors.com. Thanks for watching.